Kayleigh and welcome to today's video. Well, as you know by the title of today's video is the Stitch Fix video, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get straight into the try-on portion of that. But before I do, I want to take one quick moment to let you know that I am giving away a $100 gift card to Walmart in order to celebrate my 1,000 subscribers. So if you would like to enter for my $100 gift card to Walmart, I will leave the link to the video. If you click on that video and you follow all the instructions and details in that video, you will be entered until May 28, 2021. And of course, if you're watching after May 28, 2021, the contest is over. But up until then, good luck to everyone. And thank you guys for supporting me. It means the world to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to get into the first outfit, which is what I have on. And this was in my preview, and I went ahead and I picked this one because I thought it had a lot of pretty feminine details. Now, this is by Karl Lagerfeld Paris, and this is $68. Now, I love this in the pictures, but not so much in real life. I still think it's a beautiful, feminine, detailed top, but I have a couple issues with it. But let's go over what my issue is first. I want to talk about the positives to the shirt because I think it is a beautiful blouse. It, like I said, very feminine, pretty. It fits very nicely. It is a 100% polyester blouse. And the thing I really liked about it was the sleeve detail. I love that little, it just added such a lovely little feminine detail. And I thought with the little white flowers and the little pink flowers, it would look cute with a skirt, a white denim skirt or some capris in the summertime. But unfortunately for me, it's the sleeve length that's bothering me. It's kind of in the middle of no man land. I was thinking it was going to look more like that. And if it was, I would probably be keeping the shirt because this is my design and my aesthetic. And as you can see, the pattern is beautiful. I personally love a floral pattern. It is just, it speaks to my little heart inside. I just love that. But because of the sleeve length, this one is probably going to go back. It's not a love, and $68 is a high price tag. And if it's not a love, and if that's going to get on my nerves, this is going back. But if you're interested in it, I will leave the information for this shirt and all the details. And if you like it, you can request it from your stylist. Here is the second top out of the box, and this is Karl Lagerfeld Paris also. And this is a ruffle detail top for $68. And the material is 100% polyester. Okay, now as you can see, it's very similar in design to the first one, but the sleeve lengths, look at this one, guys. This one is what I like. I like this sleeve length. Yes, on the sleeve length on this one. And let me come in closer so you can see the details of this one because it has a lot of details. It has a collar detail right here, a collar detail, and then it comes down and it has these little ruffle details right here. And if you pull the ruffles apart right here, you can see it has these shiny little button details going down the front. Now, it's a cute blouse, and like I said, it's the sleeve lengths are good on it, but I just personally for me, it's not an ugly shirt. I just don't like the ruffle right here. If it did not have this ruffle, if it would just be plain, or even just have the little pink or the little white button details so I could see that, but I just don't like this. I don't like the ruffle design. It's distracting to me. So unfortunately for that reason, this one's probably gonna go back to and it's just not a personal love for me, but I think it's a pretty top, and it's an almost top. So both tops were pretty and they were almost tops. But yeah, it's just, the ruffle bothers me. I don't like that. Okay, so now I have two dresses and a denim jacket. Here's the next item out of the box, and this is a dress, and this is a Kaylee Tasha knit dress in the color yellow, of course, for $50. Now let's talk about this dress. This was in my email preview, and I said go ahead and send this to me because I am looking for some more summer dresses. Personally, for me, I prefer summer dresses over shorts because I'm just not a big fan of my upper thighs, and I always feel self-conscious when I'm wearing shorts. So I feel a summer dress gives me the same cool, breezy look, and then I don't have to worry about my upper thighs showing. Okay, so let's talk about the details on this dress. I think it's really cute overall, and it's a good price for $50. Let me show you the pattern up close. It has like a, well, I don't know if you call that a mustard yellow background with some white and purple flowers in it. It is 96% polyester, 4% spandex. And I did have to put a strapless bra on with it, but I have a good one, thank goodness. We all know they're hard to find, but I do have a good one that works for me. And it cuts nice under the arm. There's nothing showing. It's very comfortable, but the best detail, this is why I put my hair on my side so I can show you the back detail. This is the part I love the most about the dress. It has like that crisscross detail going in the back. So I really like this dress. So this is a possible contender for me. It comes right to my knees, which is a perfect length for me. Not too long, not too short. $50, not a bad price. And I have a $49 credit right now. So I would only pay $1 for this dress. So this might be a contender for me. And I have a white denim jacket that I think would also look good with this since it has the little white flowers in it. So what do you guys think? Yeah, yay or nay? But I think I'm probably going to keep this. I'm feeling pretty strongly about this dress. Okay, they did send me another dress along with the denim jacket. So we will wrap up the video with those last two items. I'll be right back. Dress out of the box, and this is by the company Wisp, and they are calling this the Kaileigh jersey dress in the size 12 for $84. Now guys, I put this dress on and I'm like, I really like this one too. I like the detail on this as it has the same yellow golden mustard color in it, and it has like this paisley print in here, and I like the way it cuts in at the smallest part of my body, so I'm really a fan of that. And with this dress, unlike the other one, which I said I don't mind wearing a strapless dress or a strapless bra, but you know, you can wear a regular bra with this one. And I just love it. It's 100% polyester. It's also very casual summer dress. But as you guys just heard me say, what did I say this one was? I put my glasses on. $84. Yeah, I love this dress. I really do. But $84, I don't think it's special enough for an $84 summer dress. You know what I'm saying? So, God, I really like it. I'm kind of disappointed. I want to keep it, and like I did say, I had a $49 credit, but I just think it's a little too much for what it is. Okay, so this is probably going to go back, unfortunately. I'm sad because I have to stay on budget this month. But dang, $84. Dang, ain't that a lot? All right, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna put the jacket on and we'll talk about that. Now I got the denim jacket on with this. And does this look cute with this dress or what? Oh, they're freaking killing me in this box. I hate being on a budget. Okay, this dress or this jacket is by Prosperity, and this is called the Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket in the color light blue for $68. Now, there's one saving grace, and I'm probably going to send this jacket back, but I got to talk to you guys about this jacket because I really think it's a lovely jacket. And I think if you're looking for a light blue denim jacket, this is an excellent option for you. Let me come in close so you guys can see the detail right here in the front that I really like about it. It has like this stitching pattern in here that I think is kind of unique, and I don't have anything with that kind of stitching pattern in it. And I do like a light wash denim jacket in the summer, but with that said, I already have a couple actually, so that's probably going to be the saving grace that I'm going to send this back. But does it look good with this dress or what? So I am giving this 2 thumbs up if you are looking for a light denim jacket. Oh, and it has a good amount of stretch in it too. So I would recommend that if you are looking for this, ask your stylist for this jacket. I will leave the information for this jacket in the description box down below because that's how much I like it. But I already have one so similar. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to get into the wrap up. But before I do, I also want to remind you guys, I have the $100 giveaway going on right now. If you would like to enter that, like I said, the video is right over here. Just click on that video, follow the directions and the rules, and you will be entered in that. And that's until May 28th, 2021. Okay, so let's do the wrap up. Now this dress, this hurts because I really freaking love this dress, but I think the $84 price tag is too high for what it is. I love it, but yeah, I can't justify $84, especially right now. I just become a nana, so the money's a little tight, so I gotta be a little bit more careful with my money. So this is gonna unfortunately go back. The light blue denim jacket, I would recommend, if you're looking for one, get this one. But I'm sending this back only because I already have 2 denim jackets. The Karl Lagerfeld, there was 2 black floral ones. They were $68 a piece. They were okay, but they weren't a love, so these were easy for me to send back. Unlike this $84 dress is killing me that I want to keep, but I'm not. I'm going to be good. So I think the keeper out of the box is going to be this yellow summer dress. I think it would look really cute with a denim jacket, probably like the one I already own, or like I said earlier, with a white, since it's got some white florals in it. Okay. So what were your favorites in the box? Let me know in the description box. I would still love to know your opinion. Thank you guys once again for helping me get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. It meant the world to me. Don't forget my giveaway going on. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.